In this video, I would like to show you how to log in to Khan Academy. When we click on most website links here in Schoology, the window will open up right here on the main page. Khan Academy will not allow this, so instead of going straight to Khan Academy, when you go here to Math Links and Materials and click on Khan Academy, it'll bring you to my website at our classroom page. From here, we will scroll down and go to Khan Academy here. Once at their page, we'll click Login, and the username is a little bit different than most of our others and is written on our names and passwords sheet. Login. Once we're logged in to Khan Academy, you will see that there are assignments that have been assigned to you. They are usually to be done in order. The first one will usually be a video, and then there's some work, and the videos are to help you, and if they do not, that's when you can contact me so I can help you as well. So just to show you, if I click start, it will bring me right to a video.
We could try to figure out how many running pigs there are by just counting the pigs, but we're going to start building some new muscles. And
we can count pigs later. There's also, as you can see, I didn't do very well, so I can try again. And there is work for us to do. This one is on equal groups, and it says, use the image below to help fill in the blanks. There are 7 groups of, well, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so this is multiplication. So there are how many seals in all? I could skip count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yay! Now I would move on to the next question. When you are finished with these, it will automatically save for me to see. Lots to talk about for Khan Academy, but for now, just make sure you can log in, and if you cannot, please let me know.